Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina, and if you're new on this space, I create content on social media management, passive income, tech, and how to make money in 2024 and beyond. Now, if this interests you, click on the subscription button, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I drop a video like this. So, in today's video, what are we doing? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create consistent character AI. Now, we know that a lot of AI, you can create images, but sometimes when you're trying to write a story or when you're trying to just create something out of the ordinary, something that you want people to consistently watch, your character's images may differ. So your character might be fat and dark and with long hair, and in the next one, it might be slim and short and just looking quite different. So, in order for your story to look unique and in order for people to capture what you're trying to say, especially children, if you're creating storybooks for children, you want the character to remain the same. You don't want to confuse the children that you're creating this content for, which is your audience. So, in today's video, I will be showing you how to create consistent character for free. There are a lot of apps already online where you can create consistent character. ChatGPT is one of them, but it is a paid app. And I always tell people data is not cheap. You don't want to waste money when you don't even know if this niche you're trying to get into is going to work out for you. So I'll be showing you how to do this for free, like with just your head and just you being smart. You can create a consistent character that you can use for your story all for free. Now, I've been talking quite a lot. Let's just get right into this video so you can learn a few tricks and tips and you can get on your way to creating wealth for yourself in 2024 and beyond. Let's get right into this video. So guys, there are a lot of AIs that you can use to create consistent character, and one of them is Leonardo AI. So for you to use Leonardo AI, you need to click on image guidance and upload an image that you already have, and so that it's going to keep replicating things like that. But you can see that it is not free. For you to get this, you have to pay from $10 to $48 a month before you be able to use this service. So this is not what I want because it's quite expensive and you don't really know if you're going to out of. So I've already picked an image, like a look I want all my other image generation to look like. So now this image I'm typing in a prompt for, I'm just going to type in the prompt, generate as much image as I want. I'm just going to generate one just for the tutorial's purpose. I'm going to show you how to make that look. So I'm typing in a prompt right now, and when I'm done typing the prompt, I'm telling the AI what to create and how my character should look and be represented. I'm just going to go forward to click on the generate button. You can choose a perfect dimension or the number of videos you like this app to create for you. So now I've clicked on generate and I'm just going to scroll down to see the picture that Leonardo AI has created for me. Now this is the picture. This picture is looking good and kind of represents the African vibe that I'm going for. So I'm just going to download it right about now, and I'm just going to download. So now I've previously downloaded an image that I want all my character generation to look like. So this image I just generated on Leonardo, I want it to look exactly like my model that I've already set aside. So I'm going to go on to the Remake app. Then I'll click on face swap so it can take me to the page where I can change the face of my character. Now the face swap is loading. I'm going to click on upload image, which is the original image I would like to change its face. So I've clicked on this image that I generated on Leonardo AI. So I'm going to click on the image that is my standard model that I want all my characters to look like, and then I'll click on remake for it to change the face. Now it's loading and I'm just waiting for it to change. and you can see that the image has totally changed the face of my character to look like that of the model that I want it to be. So when you go, you're going to see that my character's defined features are looking quite subtle now, and they're looking more beautiful. I'm going to download that and set aside. Now I have downloaded it. You can easily see everything that I did. You can see that my image is now looking the same. So you can see that these two images are looking quite different. They're looking different. You can see that this looks exactly like the one beside it, and you can use this as well to create consistent AI for all your character creation. Now, if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I drop a new video. And also you can catch up on my old videos on AI, that if you haven't known how to generate these images properly, I have a detailed video on that which you can click on right now and catch a glimpse of how to do that. So guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.